Hi everyone, I am Parinsha and today I am going to tell you about Equalization Levy. Equalization Levy was introduced in India in 2016 with the intention of taxing the digital transaction, that is income occurring to foreign e-commerce companies from India. It is aimed at taxing business to business transactions. Equalization levy is a direct tax which is withheld at the time of payment by the service recipient. The two conditions are to be met to be liable for the equalization levy. That is, the payment should be made to non-resident service provider and the annual payment to one service provider exceed rupees 1 lakh in a one financial year. Currently, not all services are covered under the ambit of equalization levy. The following services are covered, that is the online advertisement and any provision for digital advertising space or facilities or services for the purpose of online advertisement with the effect from 1st April 2020. E-commerce supply or services, which means online sale of goods owned by the non-resident e-commerce operator, online provision of services by a non-resident e-commerce operator, online sale of goods or provisions of services or both facilitated by the e-commerce operator, or any combination of activities of the above activities. Currently, the applicable rate of tax is a 6% of good consideration to be paid. Now, for example, Parin has advertised on a Facebook to expand his business. He has to pay rupees 1 lakh in a financial year 2017-18 to Facebook for this advertising services. Now, Facebook will bill to Parin for an amount of rupees 1 lakh 12,000. Now, Parin will deduct the TDS at the rate of 6%. So, at the rate of 6%, amount should be 6,720. So, Parin will make the payment after deducting the TDS amount of rupees 1,05,280 to Facebook. On e-commerce supply of services, the rate is 2% of the gross consideration received or receivable from a resident in India or non-resident in a specified circumstances. Here the specified circumstances refer to the sale of advertisement which targets a customer who is a resident in India or a customer who accesses the advertisement through an IP address located in India, and the sale of data collected from a person who is a resident in India or from a person who uses an IP address located in India, or person buying goods or services or both using internet protocol, that is IP address located in India. The equalization levy is not applicable where the e-commerce operator making or providing or facilitating e-commerce supply or services has permanent establishment in India, and such e-commerce supplier services is effectively connected with such permanent establishment where the equalization levy is leviable under the section 165 on the online advertisement says turnover or gross receipt, as case may be, of the e-commerce operator from the e-commerce supply or services made or provided or facilitated is less than 2 crore rupees during the previous year. The due date of furnishing the equalization levy statement, that is form 1, on or before 30th June of the financial year ended. This is the annual statement. Now again let us take an example. Let us assume that Parin has made the payment to Facebook on 15 January 2019. He will have to deposit the tax to the authorities by 7th March 2019 and file the statement form number 1 on or before 30th June 2019. In the case of e-commerce supply or services, the tax should be paid quarterly as shown in the table. If the date of ending of the quarter is 30th June, then due date from the financial year 7th July. If the date of ending of the quarter is 30th September, then the due date of the financial year is 7th October. If the due date of ending of the quarter is 31st December, then the due date is 7th January. And if the date of ending quarter is 31st March, then due date is 31st March itself. Failure to pay equalization levy attracts the interest at 1% of every month or part thereof. Also, failure attracts a penalty equal to the amount of equalization levy that remains unpaid. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates, and till then, take care.